Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making watercolor nature prints. To begin this project, have your participants gather a variety of leaves from outside. Next, prepare your watercolor paper by using tape to create a border around the edge. If you are able to tape the paper to the table and leave it there for a couple of hours, the paper will be less wavy when it dries. Begin your painting by using the wet on wet method. Paint your whole paper with water before adding watercolor. This will help the colors blend together. Cover the paper in a variety of colors. Next, start laying your leaves on your paper. Lay them on whichever side makes the leaf have the most contact with the paper. Flat leaves work best for this project. When your paper is full of leaves, it's time to start painting again. Add more watery paint around the edges of the leaves. Make sure to add lots and experiment with different colors. This paint will be attracted to the leaves and seep underneath them, which will mirror their image on your paper. When you are done, let your paper dry for at least 1 hour. When your paper is dry, it's time to remove all the leaves. When the leaves are removed, it's time to peel off the tape. Pull the tape slowly away from your picture to minimize tearing. Enjoy your watercolor nature print.